morning, Plant Kids. So today is Tuesday and it's a holiday, so that's why we have time to help out. And this is our new project. We will be going to my church and I will be helping them redesign the small patch gardens and a wall, garden wall in the church. So let's go. So we're here now at one of the gardens. Tumigil tayo sa gulong. We will see kung meron tayo makikita dito na mga halaman na pwede doon sa church. Kung magkano ito? Ito. Walang maliliit niya. Wala na? Ito. Magkano yung ganito? 80. Wala yung ganong kulay na, pero maliliit lang. Parang, kasi ilalagay lang namin sa wall garden kasi. Pero ito 80. Ayun, ano yun? Pilea? Kupe. Ayun, magkano yung kupeya?
30 po.
30. Ayun, 30. Okay. Sige, baka balikan ko mamaya kasi. Sa Angelos Garden. Dito po yan sa Antipolo. Since meron tayong nakita pero maliliit pa, we'll try to check with another garden. Okay? So, we're on our way to the garden. Another garden. Pero ngayon, since ang aga-aga pa, it's actually 7 o'clock. Kasi yun ang usapan namin ni Doc Hannah. And then, 6:30 pa lang, nagising na ako. I think the Lord woke me up to ensure na magawa tong project na to today. So, yeah. It was too early. Nobody was able to cook. I did not bother my wife anymore for breakfast. So, dadaan ako sandali na McDo para mag-almusal. Okay? Ito na po, papasok na tayo ng drive-thru ng McDonald's. Taka naman. Good morning. Isang wait. Cheesy egg dessert with sausage.
Cheesy egg dessert with sausage?
Hindi, ano na lang para, sorry
Ano po?
Sausage McMuffin meal na lang.
Sausage McMuffin?
Meal with egg.
Yung may egg.
Tapos yung may kasama, pero juice at saka hash brown.
Okay po. Ano pa po?
Yun lang.
So,
Here's our order. Let's go. So ngayon, nandito tayo sa highway ng RRC Garden. And we will check out the plants here. So, yeah, we just got into the car again and apparently mas mura dito. Yung kanina tagwa 100 doon sa isang garden, dito 50 pesos lang. So, but I think it's smaller. But kasi 100 din sa kanya, I think yung size na tinanong ko kanina doon. Yung tinanong ko kanina doon is sa una is tag 100, pero yun meron din sila nung ganun dito tag 100, pero dito may tag 50 yung maliliit. Pero yung Cuprea nila o Cufea nila is mas malaki pero mas mura, 50 pesos lang din. So hopefully kayanin ang budget ni Doc Hana ang ating nakita na. Alright, so see. We just arrived. I'm just finishing this. Then we're going down. Done. So ito po yung ating first patch ng garden sa harapan ng church. Ito po yung church namin. Ayan. So ito yung first patch. Tapos dito yung pangalawa. Ito yung pangalawa. Okay naman yung mga plants pero i-rearrange natin. Sana mas maging maganda. And this is the wall. So this is the before. Alright? We will start na. So afterwards, this is the first patch of the garden. And here are the agaves and the bromeliads. And this is the vertical wall garden now. It's lacking pots, and so we will buy more. And this is the second patch garden right now. As you can see, I use the plants with a colored pop from the greens. And we place the potted agaves and bromeliads in the entrance. I hope you liked the video this time. We're gonna have a part 2 because we will be completing the vertical wall. We will just be buying more plants or getting more plants to be donated to complete the whole vertical wall design, and we will be buying more pots because we lack pots, as you can see. And we will wait. We'll just have to wait for the first and the second patch to grow and be more lush, because we have the placement for those plants there based on how they will look like when they become lush. Okay, so thank you very much for joining me in this episode. Hope you join me again in our next vlog, and I would like to see you like and subscribe and share the video. Thank you very much. Bye, plant kids.